Hi, hello, vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode on Little Law YouTube channel. So, in this video, we will see about the git reset command. So, git reset command is a powerful tool in Git that allows us to undo the changes in our repository, and it's used to reset the state of our working directory to a specific commit. So, there are several modes of git reset. We will see them one by one. So the first option is the soft reset. So this mode keeps the changes we made in our file but undoes the commit itself. So it moves the head and the branch pointer back to the specified commit. So when we use this, when we want to uncommit but keep the changes stay. So when do we use this? So we use this when we want to uncommit but keep the changes staged. So for that, let me just do a git log minus minus one line. This will show us the commit. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do let me just quit it. Just type a Q and I'll be taken back. So here you can see this is the first at present. So this is my latest commit. So when I'm going to do a git reset minus minus soft head minus 1. Sorry, I made a mistake in the syntax. So it is git reset minus minus soft. So let me just lowercase soft and then head and then this symbol here and then the 1. So this will now will reset the latest header. So when we do the git log one line, and here you can see the previous commit is C0F and now it is DF2. So the git reset soft has uncommitted our previous change, and in case if we want to do a check, if we can do a git status and we can find, so this was the latest changes which was being removed from the latest change from the latest commit. So now we will try the next command, which is the git reset. So this is the default mode, and if we don't specify the minus minus soft or minus minus hard, it resets the commit but also unstages all the changes, and it's useful when we want to uncommit and unstage the changes, and by allowing us to recommit with different changes. So let me try. I'll just show you to you how to do that. So by doing a git reset head and again this symbol here with 1 will unstage the changes. So as I mentioned, so it's useful when we want to uncommit and also to unstage the changes, and it will allow us to recommit with different changes. So this is how the git reset head and the 1 works. And now there is this hard reset. So previously first we tried with the soft reset and then we tried with the reset, and now we are going to try with the hard reset. So this mode is the most aggressive. It will not only resets the commit and unstages these changes, but it also discards any changes in our working directory. So we have to use this when we want to completely discard the changes made after the specified commit, and the command goes like this. So git reset minus minus hard and head the symbol 1. So this will, as I told you, this will completely discard the changes made after the specified commit. So as I have again told you, already told you, so this is the most aggressive, and it not only resets the commit and unstages changes, it also discards any changes in the working directory. So better be careful before using this git reset hard command. And then we have the git reset commit. So for example, so if I want to reset a specific file to the state it was in at a specific commit while keeping the rest of the changes, so for that I have to use this command, which is git, sorry, it has to be git reset head minus 1, and then if I give the file name, so for example in this case it's going to be file name .txt. So this will completely reset this specific file to the state it was in at a specific commit while keeping the rest of the changes. So this is again another way. So you can do a reset to a particular file when you want to do your changes. So for example, so in our case, I have this file. So let me try it here, which is the cron job.yaml. So now you can see this file. So I have to try the command with the right syntax. Sorry, the right syntax is here. So this has been unstaged already. So now we have the another command which is force push after reset. So if I have pushed the commit, I want to reset and I might need to force push after performing a reset. So we have to be very cautious with the force push as this can potentially override other work. So the command goes like this. So it is git push minus f origin and the branch, whether it is master, main or any of your branch. So in this case, let's check the branches. So here I have only the main branch. So in case if I want to make any changes to the branch, I can use this command which is git push minus f origin and then the branch. So by doing this, I can push the commit which I want to reset and I might need to force push after performing the reset. And then I have the commit hash. So in case if I want to replace a commit with the actual commit hash, I can use git reset minus soft and then the commit code. So this will replace the commit with the actual commit hash. So remember, we have to be very careful when using the git reset, especially with the minus minus hard, as it can lead to irreversible data loss. So always make sure to back up any important changes before performing a reset, or in fact, it's always good to try all these in your own branch rather than in the main branch. So I believe this video will be very useful to you. Until I meet you in another interesting video, it's bye bye from Vasan Shanmugam and Little's Law.